Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the world of hair care. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a game changer in hair health, Ktintar 100% natural raw Batana oil. Known for its rich organic properties, this oil not only supports hair growth but also transforms your strands, leaving them thicker and stronger. Imagine running your fingers through luxurious, healthy hair that shines with vitality. This oil could be your key to achieving that dream. Crafted from 100% organic ingredients, Ktintar Batana oil is free from harmful chemicals and additives. Its soothing essence seeps into the scalp, addressing dryness while deeply moisturizing from roots to ends. Visualize the nourishing touch as it works to repair damaged strands, brilliantly restoring them to their natural glory. The effective combination of vitamins E and A present in this oil ensures each application is a step towards rejuvenation, as it envelops your hair in pure nourishment. As you begin to incorporate this magical oil into your hair care routine, you'll soon notice a stunning transformation. The Batana oil targets dryness and hair loss, promoting noticeable growth in sparse areas. It's like giving your hair a revitalizing drink that hydrates and strengthens it. With each use, not only will you see a reduction in split ends, but you can also anticipate thicker, healthier strands that radiate shine, making you feel confident and beautiful. This oil goes beyond just hair. It delivers comprehensive scalp care as well. Envision a balanced scalp with healthy oil secretion, nurtured by the rich antioxidants and nutrients of Batana oil. The soothing properties alleviate dry scalp conditions, ensuring that healthy hair growth is not only a goal, but a reality. Consistent application creates a thriving environment for hair follicles, which significantly contributes to overall hair vitality. Using Ktintar Batana oil is effortless. Simply apply 2 to 3 drops to the palm of your hand or directly to the scalp and hair. Imagine massaging the oil into your scalp, feeling the tension of the day melt away as the oil penetrates deeply. Comb through your hair to aid absorption and let it dry naturally overnight for best results. With each application, you'll be on your way to unlocking the full potential of your hair. So if you're ready to transform your hair care routine and achieve stunning results, check the description box for the purchase link. For more tips, tricks, and expert advice, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining me today, and let's embark on this hair journey together.